How to share a Word document with Wi-Fi direct. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share any document on Word to Wi-Fi direct if you want to share it to other device. First thing, go to Word, choose the document that you want to share with Wi-Fi direct. Now go to the top and click on this share icon. And now you will have three options right here. Choose the third one, which is share as attachment. Click choose between document or PDF as you want, and now click on Wi-Fi direct and you will be able to share it fast and easy. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.